Hi, it's Mark Edward Brown, and this is a wine unboxing video. Hey, it's Mark Edward Brown. Welcome to my kitchen table. This is a wine unboxing video, and I have my new shipment of Wine Ambassador wines. If you like wine, you will love Wine Ambassador. You get a box of select wines. These are premium wines every month delivered right to your door. So let's dig into this so I can show you what I've got. All right, so fresh out of the box, what you get is a Wine Ambassador information card. When you use this QR code, it tells you all about Wine Ambassador wines and the selections that are in the box. All right, so the packaging is primo, and it will make sure that your wine doesn't break while it's being delivered. All right, so the first selection that we have is a bottle of Tanya. This is a rosé. And what I'll do in the coming weeks is I'll showcase each of these wines individually. This is just a preview, especially for you. The next is an Adele Antonio, and this is a Zinfandel 2019. It looks delicious. Okay, got two to go. Ready? All right, now this one is one of my favorites. This is called Parables in White. It's a white wine, and I really like it because it's got a crisp, clean taste, and it's really wonderful. And finally, we have a Grand Cru Discoveries Pinot Noir. There you have it. So those are my 4 premium fine wines that were delivered to my house. I was very excited to get into the box and show you about them. If you have any questions about Wine Ambassador and the wines that you can get delivered to your door, leave a comment below, and make sure that if you can, you subscribe to this channel and you like this post and you comment below. Thanks, and bye for now.